Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of the ZVOX AccuVoice AV157 soundbar that comes with hearing aid technology. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of ZVOX AccuVoice AV157, you will find a setup and operation guide, the power adapter, some audio cables, battery, 3.5mm aux cable, a remote control, some screws, the AV157 soundbar, and an optical cable. Talking about the design and build quality, the ZVOX AV157 is very minimalistic and compact in terms of design. It comes in the black rectangular design that is quite generic and comes with just ZVOX branding on the front along with an orange alphanumeric LED display. The top is empty, does not come with any buttons, markings, etc. And on the back we got the spot to hold and carry the ZVOX AV157, spots to connect the screws, some regulatory information, and a group where you will find all of the connectivity options. So it comes with a 3.5mm analog input, an optical digital audio input, along with a headphone subwoofer output. It would be great if ZVOX could provide an HDMI port with ARC support as well on the AV157. Now talking about the audio quality and the audio features, the ZVOX AV157 comes with a 24-watt Class D amplifier that is loud enough for most of the small to medium sized rooms. But the AV157 is not a regular soundbar. It comes with hearing aid technology and it is targeted towards the people who face difficulties in hearing voices clear coming out of the TV speaker. So the very first thing is that the performance will vary person to person depending on at what frequency they are listening the sound clearly. But in any case, the 24-watt speaker output is going to be better than the downward firing speakers we find in most of the TV units these days. The AV157 comes with AccuVoice technology that enhances the mid-range frequencies where the human voice resides. You get 6 levels of dialogue enhancement, and it also comes with the super voice technology that further reduces 6 levels of background noise to help the listener to make the dialogues and human voice more clear in the audio output. It also comes with Phase Q virtual surround sound that creates a surround sound experience with 3 different levels, and it enhances the spaciousness of the sound coming out of the speaker. And this is a really nice addition because the more AccuVoice technology tries to boost the mid-range frequency, the human voice sounds more unnatural. But because of the Phase Q virtual surround sound, it gets a bit better for sure. Even though the ZVOX AccuVoice AV157 comes with Dolby Digital, you won't find same kind of audio output that you find on other soundbars, because the AV157 is especially designed to enhance the human voice instead of providing you a great cinematic experience. It also comes with a nice output leveling feature that balances overall volume, and if the audio suddenly changes on your TV in terms of loudness, then AV157 will balance it from being excessively loud. The remote control is small, but it comes with large buttons that are easy to press, easy to use, and the build quality along with the material used is quite nice because of the soft velvet finish. It feels good while using the AV157's remote control. The display on the front shows volume levels, input selection, as well as the AccuVoice and Phase Q virtual surround sound settings. But the labeling is a bit confusing and it takes a bit of time to understand in what mode or setting you are exactly. Now let's have a look at how the ZVOX AV157 enhances the human voice coming out of it.
Of a wider war in the Middle East appear to be subsiding for now, with both Israel and Hezbollah declaring victory, the largest cross-border attacks against each other since the start of the war in Gaza. Overnight, Israel firing first, launching what it called a preemptive strike against Hezbollah in Lebanon, saying the militant group was planning an extensive attack.
Overall, the ZVOX AV157 soundbar is a very nice and useful product for the elder people in your family and even for the people who face difficulties in listening human voice clearly while watching TV. It is designed especially for that purpose and the performance is quite impressive considering that. but you have to keep in your mind that it won't provide you a cinematic audio experience that you get on other soundbars. But again, the ZVOX AV157 is not designed for that. So if you or anyone in your family faces difficulties in listening human voice clearly on TV, then the ZVOX AV157 soundbar is one of the best options for you as a TV soundbar. If you're interested in buying one, I have shared the link in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.